Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by validating prerequisites and launching basic diagnostics. First, make sure battery levels are adequate and Bluetooth is enabled. Low power can throttle radios. Once done, move devices within 3 meters and reduce interference by temporarily disabling nearby Wi-Fi or toggling airplane mode. Reboot both units to clear transient states. This often resets stuck services. While they restart, note any error text or LED patterns so you can target the next steps with precise info and avoid guesswork. Next, dive into software-level causes because most persistent errors live there. You should inspect the Bluetooth adapter in Device Manager or System Preferences and update drivers or firmware. Outdated stacks cause protocol mismatches. Once updated, forget the problematic pairing and repair to rebuild profiles. Also clear Bluetooth cache or system Bluetooth data to remove corrupt entries. If problems persist, run the built-in troubleshooter or boot into safe mode to reveal whether a third-party app is interfering with the radio. To finish, apply conservative restores first, then escalate. Reset network settings so you don't lose unrelated data, and only if necessary perform a factory Bluetooth reset to rebuild the stack. After resets, test with a known good device to confirm whether the issue is device-specific. Make sure to check system logs for recurring error codes. They pinpoint firmware versus hardware faults. If you still fail, capture diagnostics and contact support with exact error text and steps you already tried. They'll resolve faster with that context.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.